Ever wanted to bring your Gacha Club creations to life? And today, we're unlocking the secrets of animating them in Adobe Photoshop. First, let's prepare your characters in Gacha Club. Pose your character in the desired starting position, ensuring you have multiple variations for movement. Take high-quality screenshots of each pose, focusing on clear backgrounds. Now, let's jump into Photoshop. Open a new file, setting your dimensions based on your animation's needs. A square ratio works well for Gacha content. To import your first Gacha Club screenshot, duplicate this layer for each frame of your animation in the Layers panel. Rename each layer sequentially, like Frame 1, Frame 2, and so on. To keep everything organized, next, select the Timeline panel. This is where the animation magic happens. In the timeline, create a frame for each layer, then select a frame and go to the Layer panel, revealing the corresponding layer for each frame by making any invisible layers visible to animate. Select your next set of screenshot layers and adjust the body and limbs to the next pose. Repeat this process, frame by frame, adjusting the pose to create the illusion of movement. Once you've built your animation, be to trim the animation, fine-tune your frame duration, or add effects for your specific creative vision. Finally, save your work as a GIF to share your animated Gacha Club masterpieces. See, animating Gacha Club in Photoshop is achievable. Experiment, enjoy, and show off your animated creations using #GACHA Club Animation and #Photoshop Animation.